What's going on, fam? It's your boy Slav coming at you with the Tarot Nefertari opening. Now, is that? Did I just feel? Okay, so I was just gonna open it from the top, but it's just like, nah, it's ripped. So, bam. I guess this is how they want you to open the deck. Like a freaking pack of bubble gum. Oh, what was that? What was that? Oh. Yeah, I was gonna open at the top, but they didn't want that. They were like, you thought wrong. Alright. This is gonna be a pretty short video because. Ooh. Oh, and it comes with a little book too, which is pretty cool. I like that. That's the front of the box, the side, the back, sides. Alright. Let's go ahead and open this up right here. Alright. Now this one isn't gilded, so, or painted like the other one, but it is holographic. Alright, so that's the book. I'm not going to go into the book because it's just a regular book. This is the back of the deck. Oh man, this is nice. And that's actually like hologram. That's pretty freaking dope. Alright, sorry about that. Okay, so I'm going to go through this really quickly. Wait a minute. This is already shuffled because it's not even in order. Alright, cool. Alright, so I'm just going to go through the cards then. This is actually pretty freaking dope. I'm not going to lie. That's dope. The death card. And like you can see like it's embossed. I like the fact that it's shuffled already. Oh, look at the devil. What is he doing? Oh my. Oh, here we go. Let's go a little faster. Ugh. I really like this deck, yo. And that's it. That's the back. It's actually a really nice deck. I'm not gonna lie. And feel as though it'll be great for shuffling. Let me see. Let me see. Ooh, no, that's not split. Give me a sec. Alright. Let's go ahead and do a quick shuffle. Oh, yes. What? This is my new favorite deck when it comes to shuffling. This is third. And then this right here is the first one. Well, that's actually fourth because this is second. And then like this is really good too. This comes right behind that one. Because it's a little more stronger, but that one comes in second place when it comes to shuffling, the Gothic Tarot. So yeah, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And till next time, y'all. Many blessings all around. Later.